There's a lot of discussion these days about big tech censorship, and it's kind of stopped at that discussion stage, even though President Trump assures us he's monitoring the situation. We have seen some lawsuits on that issue, as well as a whole other theater in the big tech war that I haven't seen many people hashing out. Namely, Google allegedly using the data of medical patients to reap mega cash. Let's take a look. A former medical patient at the University of Chicago is suing both the school and Google in a class action lawsuit, claiming that the school provided the big tech giant with private patient data. The Google U Chicago partnership was supposed to involve machine learning to help forecast medical incidents, but the records the school gave Google apparently contained timestamps for university patient visits, as well as patient demographics like height and weight, provider orders, diagnoses, procedures, medications, laboratory values, vital signs, and flowsheet data. Now, even though the names weren't included, the lawsuit claims that the University of Chicago provided Google with enough other data that Google could re-identify the patients in the records. It says the reason no other hospital, including the other healthcare providers partnering with Google, provided this type of information is because it would be a prima facie violation of the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act to share or even receive medical records in this form. Now, Google, for its own part, is insisting it hasn't broken any laws, saying it thinks its healthcare research could prove instrumental in saving lives. But the company, of course, didn't mention just how much money it would make off of whatever service it might create. And I also can't help but wonder just how much U Chicago got paid for its cooperation. It looks like we're fast approaching a world where public services, or things that have become as ubiquitous as public services, kick people with the wrong opinions off their platforms entirely, and subject those who remain to some pretty invasive measures. Would you rather be banned, or have all your most intimate info sold to the highest bidder? That's not much of a choice, is it? For Campus Unmasked, I'm Shimshock. If you like this video and support our mission, please make sure to comment and subscribe. If something happens on your campus and you'd like us to investigate, send us details using the form on campusunmasked.com.